Hello and welcome to Pandora FMS. In today's video, we'll see the best features of the new Pandora FMS version 774. As you may see, the first notable change in this version is the new tactical view, where we added new metrics, thus showing a more comprehensive global status of the system. Another of the main changes added to this version is the implementation of OpenSearch, replacing Elasticsearch as a display and log collection engine, and in turn improving the performance of this feature. In version 773, the security hardening feature was added to Pandora FMS. And continuing with this feature, we added a new widget and several types of new reports to show the information related to the security of your environment. Speaking of widgets, we also added a new widget called Group Status Map that lets you see agent status and models in a group on an interactive map in real time. We also added the ability to clone widgets within the dashboard itself to streamline tasks in case you use them for multiple purposes. And since we're talking about visual representation, we inform you that from this version onwards, it is possible to select several elements simultaneously in the visual consoles to move, resize, or delete them. The next feature that we're going to see is Graph Analytics, which can be found in the Report section of the Operation menu. With this new feature, you will be able to search and generate performance graphs of different elements quickly. You may filter by agent or model name and drag the elements you want to represent to the right side of the screen. You may choose several ranges to filter by and then save these settings or export them as custom charts. This version has a new mode for evaluating alerts, which we call the Complex Alert System. With this new mode, you may evaluate data based on the calculation of the average or sum, or the detection of maximums and minimums of the models in a time range that you determine, being able to choose among values higher, lower than, or equal to the previous range. We also added a new method for horizontally representing Pandora FMS surfaces to visualize the elements in a simpler and more organized way, especially when a surface contains a large number of them. You may use this representation method to be used by default, or you may switch between the different methods available. Finally, we added the possibility of managing version obsolescence to be able to assign expiration dates to certain versions of operating systems, so that you can not only create specific searches for specific versions of each operating system, but also generate support expiration reports. And that was it for today's video. Don't forget it, if you like the video, smile, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Any suggestions, questions or ideas, please leave them in the comments below. Remember that if you're interested in trying Pandora FMS Enterprise, you may contact us to get a free 30-day trial. Thank you very much for your time, and we hope to see you on social media and in future learning videos.